Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, giving you the nitty-gritty on all things Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. I'm out here in the Hickory store today. We're going to show you something. You may have heard the rumors, but the rumors are true. We sell a full line of Jigsaw Blades. Those are German-made from Klingspor. German-made high-quality steel for metal, plastic, wood, and one that does about everything. So anyway, wanted to let you know, got a whole array of them out here in the store. Let's take a closer look at a couple of those so you can just see for yourself. One, we've got wood in a variety of ways. This happens to be a double-sided blade. So if you need to cut forward and backward, guess what? We got you covered. And there are occasions where once you make a cut, you can literally think of cutting out a rounded corner and then you back right up to the part that you just cut away. We've got a couple of wood options, a couple of aggressive, and then a clean cut. We've also got metal, plastic, and about everything in between. And you can see we're going to do a full extent video on these later on. But for now, we just wanted to show you to let you know we do have a full line of these Klingspor jigsaw and sawzall blades available, both in the store and on the web. You can see them at woodworkingshop.com or come by one of our local stores and check them out. Well, this is Chris giving you the nitty-gritty of all things Klingspor's Woodworking Shop.
Today's presentation of Coffee and Grit is brought to you by Woodworker Joe Whole Bean Coffee, a perfect blend of light, medium, and dark roast, roasted and packaged right here in North Carolina, exclusively at woodworkingshop.com.
If there's a product you'd like featured on Coffee and Grit, let us know at 800-228-0000 or email us at tech@woodworkingshop.com.